We are talking about Apple's big move to India. And trust me, it's not just about new iPhone. The iPhone 16 just dropped, but the real headline isn't the fancy new features, it's about where it's being made. For years, China was Apple's manufacturing superhero, but now India is stepping into the spotlight. Foxconn, Apple's go to manufacturer, is now churning out iPhone 16s in India. Soon you will be seeing assembled in India stamped on iPhones worldwide. This isn't just footnote in Apple's history. It's a seismic shift that could reshape the global economy. Let's rewind for a second. Remember the Asian tigers? Hong Kong, Singapore, South Korea, and Taiwan? They rode the manufacturing wave to economics stardom between 60s and 90s. Now India poised to catch the same wave, and it's Apple providing the surfboard. The numbers are staggering. Last 7 years, 7% of iPhones were made in India. This year, it's doubled to 14%. And now, hold on to your AirPods, folks. India's Commerce Minister is betting big, predicting 25% by 2025. But why the sudden love for India? See, two words: politics and economics. The US and China relationship has been rockier than the mountain trail since 2016. And in global pandemic that exposed risk of putting all your manufacturing eggs in one basket, and you got Apple frantically diversifying faster than you did say supply chain disruption. Now it hasn't been smooth sailing. India had to level up its manufacturing game fast. We are talking about Chinese engineers flying to train Indian workers. Cultural clashes, the works, but they pushed though. Now, India isn't just keeping up, it's setting the pace. The iPhone 16 launch is a watershed moment. For the first time, Indian made iPhones, including the Pro and Pro Max models, will hit global shelves almost immediately. It's like India just graduated from manufacturing school with honors. But here is where it gets really juicy for your business buffs out there. This isn't just about Apple, it's about entire ecosystem. We are talking about component suppliers, local businesses, maybe even made in India MacBooks down the line. The potential ripple effect is massive. According to the Bloomberg's reporting that 14 out of 17 Chinese iPhone suppliers are eyeing in India. But here is a twist. They need to partner with Indian companies. This could boost India's tech sector that has been dreaming of. And get this, Apple reportedly in talks with Tata Group and other semiconductor manufacturers for $12 billion worth of India made in iPhone components. That's not chump change, folks. So, what is the key takeaway here? India isn't just entering global manufacturing stage; it's grabbing the mic and belting out the solo. This could be a start of new economic powerhouse, reshaping global trade patterns and giving China run for its money. As business leaders, investors, or just curious minds, this is a trend you can't afford to ignore. The Made in India revolution is here, and it's wearing an Apple logo. Stay tuned because this story is just getting started. Thank you very much for watching.